Guys, this is Dimitrios, your chef for the day. I'd like to tell you a few things about this recipe from my great grandmother. Today we're going to make Koulourakia, the recipe from my great grandmother Aphrodite from the island of Naxos. I will be sharing with you during this wonderful cooking video. So what we have eggs, 5 eggs, we have the cream, vanilla, we have sugar, and we have flour. We have about 7 cups of the flour with the baking soda, a pinch of salt, and we have the sugar, 2 cups. And we're going to mix everything together. But right now I like to tell you possibly a little story, but this clock here, I have to tell you I'm a contractor. And if you know the Greek contractors, we do incredible work. The Parthenon took many long time. They take a long time here too because this is a temple kitchen. But I like to tell you a story now about my great grandmother and about her life on Naxos. So Aphrodite, she got married very young to her young childhood boy she fell in love in school with. And he was a chef up in the hills, and she used to take him his lunch and dinner, and one day she brought him dinner, and of course he was with a ship. Needless to say, they got divorced. Aphrodite in Greek means love and beauty, which if you look at the picture, I don't know. Let's go to mixing. Okay, so we have everything mixed. Beautiful, gorgeous. I'm going to transfer to this bowl. We're going to let it sit up, and then we clean, and then we cook. We set it half hour, towel on top. Have a good time with it. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Isn't that not beautiful? Let me find the focus. So this is the Koulourakia, the dough. This is my working station here where I roll them. This is what they look like with an egg wash. The egg wash in your dough. We're going to put into my Suzy homemaker oven, and then we will come back and show you how they look. We're going to do a test one first. 400 bottom, 200, 250 the top. After cooking the Koulourakia, remember, say that 3 times at a bar. Koulourakia, Koulourakia, Koulourakia. They will throw you out. So, after cooking 4 hours and 2 hours and making all these things, listen, Greek cooking, very much a pain in the golo. You're better off go to the store for $2.99. You buy sugar cookie, lots of them. No take time. Yeah,
Όταν σε έχω αγκαλιά και πεθαίνω, με αναστατώνεις, με τη φλόγα σου με λιώνεις. Κόβε την πνοή μου, το οξυγόνο μου, είσαι εσύ και η ζωή μου. Κανείς πως δεν θέλεις, μα τη δύναμη σου ξέρει.